we're gonna have another unboxing today. What I have here just arrived. I bought this from Lazada, COD, cash on delivery, only around a little over 1,000 pesos. So these are the lens guards for the dual lens 360 mod of the Insta360 One R. So let's see what we have here. Okay. So there are two separate protective lenses, and this is supposed to connect easily to your Insta360 One R casing. So here you see a hinge there and a lock there. So here in the casing you have two areas. You have the bottom hinge and the locking mechanism there. So it's pretty straightforward in how to install the protective lenses, but before you do that, make sure that the lenses are clean from the dust, and also the protective lenses, so that you won't get any unnecessary dust on the video. So pretty straightforward. If you look at the hinge there, just clip it and lock it in place. Do the same thing on the other side. Clip it on the hinge. Okay, there. Lock it in place, and then lock the casing. So it locks in place on the casing of the One R. So you can look at that now. So it's protected. It's always good to have protection when you're taking videos or photos outside, or you're doing a lot of action videos, so that you protect the lenses. But what I like about the Insta360 One R is that it's modular. So if you accidentally drop it, and the lens scratch, or you break the lenses, you can order just the 360 mod. You don't have to order the whole camera. So it becomes a lot cheaper, unlike it's the other Insta360 cameras like the One X or the Evo. If you drop it, that's it. You have to buy a whole new camera again. Or if they're gonna fix it, it's still gonna cost you quite a bit of money. So we're gonna have the camera tested. So I haven't seen the stitching quality with having the protective lens on. We're gonna do some sample videos later on, so let's check it out.